Hey everyone, Alex from O'Brien here. In this video, I want to show you the screw removal kits from Zimmer Biomet, which could be used to remove a broken screw from an implant. There are two screw removal kits available from Zimmer Biomet. One is designed to work with the certain internal connection implants, and the other is for the external hex implants. In order to use the screw remover, the abutment must be removed from the implant. To start, you'll insert the drill guide handle into the implant, making sure that the hex of the handle lines up with the internal or external hex of the implant. You can verify you're using the correct handle by the laser etchings on the side that indicate either certain or EX-HEX. With the guide handle in place, insert the manual reversing drill so that it makes contact with the remaining portion of the screw. Using light pressure, turn the reverse drill counterclockwise for 1 to 2 revolutions. You can now remove the reverse drill and the guide handle from the implant. You will now use the screw removal tool, which will have a blue band for the certain implants and a yellow band for the external hex implants. Place the tool on top of the broken screw and push down with moderate pressure to engage the screw. With the screw engaged, rotate the tool counterclockwise until the screw is completely disengaged from the implant threads and freely lifts out of the implant. If you aren't able to engage the screw with the removal tool, repeat the previous steps by inserting the drill guide handle and using the reverse drill. Once you've removed the broken screw, you should check the integrity of the internal threads of the implant. This can be done with the guide pin that is included with the kit. If the guide pin does not easily thread into the implant, it's possible that the internal threads are damaged. Verify that the implant is completely clean and free of debris, and if the guide pin still can't easily be inserted into the implant, it may need to be removed. I hope you found this video helpful, and as always, feel free to contact us with any questions. See you next time.